So we start a new chapter which was forms and function. In that we were done with the gas exchange till last video. Today we are going with the transport and plants. Transport and plants. Today would be basic information. So stay connected to know what does this mean and all. So first thing that you'll see that we have cell, right? And that cell can be multicellular or unicellular. Like multicellular, which means like they have so many cells. As we just take example of human being are multicellular, whereas some plants, few things you'll see will be unicellular. Uni means like one, so of course. So cell, they're multicellular, and even cell need ATP for their synthesis and for their metabolism. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then you will see that like either there's unicellular, multicellular, they all need to do their own function, and that for the function they need ATP, which is energy currency. Energy currency. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Then it's like quite important. We know plant which like they have soil, even they have external atmosphere. But you'll see more that these all in plants you'll see so many conditions. If we just start with the diffusion, like I'm not writing a definition, but diffusion, movement from higher to lower concentration. Then second process you'll see would be osmosis, which is movement of water from higher to lower concentration. The third one is inhibition, not inhibition, but it was amoebiation, if I'm not wrong. Amoebiation, which means like seed movement is called as amoebiation. Then we have active transport, which means they required ATP synthesis. So main target is about ATP synthesis, just because either there's unicellular, multicellular, they all need to do their own metabolism, all functions. So that's all possible when they have energy. And then the main topic is in transport of plants, which would be discussing the conditions. Like plant have two conditions, which is apoplast and symplast. So you're going with the apoplast first. It's like if this the part, they'll go like this. I'm just making kind of picture first. If this the condition, you'll see. So what does this mean? I'm just writing few important points about this one to make you understand nicely. So first thing you'll see, these are apoplast. This means they have path. You will see that they involve movement. They involves movement of water and solute, water and solute, and even like that all take places. So the space between plant cell and extracellular environment. So I'm sure it's like extracellular spaces environment. Even the main talk here would be without the main point is that they all do this all things without crossing their cell membrane. And what else you'll see, that the movement would be done through cell wall and spaces. So this is the first point. Second is movement through spaces, which was extracellular space, move through cell wall and spaces between cell and the movement through cell wall, but they will not take place in cytoplasm. So this means no cytoplasm, no membrane involved, no cytoplasm or no membrane crossing. no membrane crossing. You'll also see the last point, they have fast transport. Fast transport hours, like they avoid resistance, so they don't have any resistance, so they can move fast. Cell membrane transport can be a little quicker than as usual it will be. So this is about this one. Secondly, you will see would be Simplast. This one is all about that here it would be opposite, so this means the path, it's a pathway of course, where the movement you see, movement of water and solute movement of water and solute through cytoplasm of cell. So this means here the point is that they use cytoplasm through cytoplasm and of plant cell. So if I just make picture here, let me just explain. So if this the picture, so you'll see, wait, this the picture. So here you will see few around like a structure, that's holes, that's called as plasmodesmata. These are the holes. What else you'll see, that their movement taking place like this, but these whole, like there's involvement the whole metabolism, not metabolism but plasmodesmata are present. And you'll also see that here so here main reason is plasmodesmata take place and you will see that this also like plasmodesmata and cytosol, as they like of course we know they have cytoplasm involvement, so this means cytosol is the part. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Rest, let me add picture in that. So here's the picture as well. So you'll see plasmodesmata, which means I just discussed about Simplast. Here you'll see cell walls, cytoplasm, vacuole. So apoplasm is a pathway through cell. This is pathway through cytoplasm. So I'm sure this is the main difference. This picture tell everything. So I'm sure it's clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.